Cover.
Set.
Set.
And action!
I'm on hold, what the hell?
She's still breathing?
She's still breathing!
I'm telling you, we should take her to the hospital!
We shot that, I think, at like 7 in the morning, 7:30 in the morning, and a lot of the actors, you know, everybody's coming. Someone didn't get any sleep, someone got a lot of sleep, someone didn't have their coffee that morning.
Let's get a cup of coffee for the actors.
Black.
Stat.
Not black, a little cream and sugar.
And then you figure out what actor is not feeling the scene, and you talk to them and say, how can I help you get there? And oftentimes it's pretty simple, like with Scott, I said, just run, just go out and run for, 2 minutes until your heart starts pumping.
Run up and down these stairs like 10 times before we go. Okay. The whole thing's got to be a lot hotter. When she, I mean, and this is like your pace. It doesn't match. You got to be like, what the fuck? What the, if she dies,
Once you got his heart rate going, it helped the scene. And when you get one actor really going like that, everyone else feeds off of him, and it helps the whole scene.
No, have you seen people die?
Yes, it's a matter of fact!
Take her to the hospital, I'm getting your
Pretty soon
car!
everybody comes to life.
We're not gonna go!
Hello, yes, I need to report,